my creative friends. It's Jelly Bean. I am back to share with you another embellishment wallet, and the theme this time is, you guessed it, Halloween. So I'm not gonna sit here and talk a long time and make this one really long. I think I've updated everybody about everything, so let's just get right to it, and because I'm really excited about this one. Let me move this stuff out the way here. Happy Halloween is coming. And here is my Halloween embellishment wallet. Now, I forgot to tell you in the last video, the shabby embellishment wallet excuse me, was approximately 12 inches wide by 6 inches from the bottom to the top, here and here. This one here is a little bit smaller because I made gussets on it and I used a different kind of paper. On this one, I just used regular black cardstock paper, the 8.5 by 11 that you get in the copy section of Walmart. It's just solid black paper. I did ink around the edges a little bit to kind of give it an eerie, ghostly feeling. But this one is hang on a second, double check to make sure. It is 11 inches wide, and it is, if I remember right, 5.5. Yes, 5.5 this way. So this one, again, I put a lace belly band on it, so depending on what you want to put in it, you can adjust it. It's adjustable, and again, this is something that anyone at any level can make. If you can glue two pieces of paper together, fold them over, and make a few pockets, you can do this. So anybody can do this. You can be a beginning crafter, you can be an advanced crafter. I think everyone can do this. Anyway, let me tell you how I did this one. I did do this one a little bit different. The shabby one was the first one I had ever done. I was trying to fulfill my vision on that, and as I did that one, I had some further ideas. So I implemented some of those in here. I've still got some other ideas that I'm going to do when I do the tutorial and show you how to do it. First of all, I'm going to untie my belly band laced so we can see everything. And on this one, for the pocket on the back, I put a black doily. And then I just put this pumpkin right here. Now, this is the second time I've done the video, and I forgot to put my embellishment things back in the pocket here, but there is a pocket that paper goes in right there. That hard plastic isn't working too well, but I took the doily and wrapped it around and used part of it as a pocket on the back. This is a little trim that I found in a thrift store. It's got witches on it, which it's kind of hard to see because of the black on black, but it's got witches and pumpkins dangling. I thought it was cute. I like the pumpkins showing up, but the witches don't show up that well. I just put lace across the bottom with the trim. I did a little flower here with a spider on it. And when you open it, I covered this part here with some of the tulle from the Dollar Tree that's got the spider webs on it, and I just covered the black paper with it. Now on this one, I actually put a gusset on the top and the bottom. I put like an inch gusset going down here. Because of the way I made the inside, I needed it to be a little bit thicker that way. I put here, this is a tuck spot, and I kind of had the idea of, most of the time when you get a wallet, it's got a little place where you put your name and address in case it gets lost. This is actually a printout I printed offline and cut it out, fussy cut it. Was supposed to be for the front of a bottle for like your spooky spell bottles and stuff. But I made it, I thought maybe it would kind of look like where you put your name and address in case it gets stolen. The flowers and the bling boo, that's kind of hard to say. Say it fast. Bling boo. But it actually come in a kit. The flowers and the boo was in a kit with a couple skeletons. And I had a feeling my flower was going to come off. I've got my foam's not sticking that good. I'll have to glue that back on. But anyway, when you open it up, like a wallet, it has a section for your dollars. It has a little coin purse. It has a picture section and a pocket. And all of this is stuff that you can put in an embellishment box. So, just like your embellishment box, let's go through it and show you what we got. I'm going to start with the picture section right here. And I just took and made like a little mini flip book and glued it here. I got it closed with a tie, some ribbon, spider web ribbon. This was an applique. I cut off some ribbon. I had a roll of that ribbon. And I covered the front of it with the Dollar Tree tool with the spider webs again. Give you a little close up here. And put some bling on the bottom. As you open it, I put another one of those little bands that I put the foam at each end, and altered a couple paper clips for Halloween. I have, these are some felt stickers that I just got at Dollar Tree. I just put one on each side. There's a bat and a hat. But anyway, I just took and outlined it with my purple oxidized, I can't say it right, the new Tim Holtz ink. And then I made tuck pockets, tuck spots and pockets. There's a pocket here that I've got, pull it back over here, I've got a few tags in, and I've got a little coin envelope in here, just in the pocket there. Here I have another pocket that you can put some die cuts in. Here's a pocket, a sideways pocket. I put a little cat there, a little piece of table scatter actually. And I've got some little tiny doilies in there that can be used to embellish the tags maybe. Here I've got another pocket with some chipboard tags in here for Halloween, of course. That come out of a chipboard set I got, I think, at Tuesday morning. Here's some more cutouts that I just fussy cut out from online. I printed them, and they're like the labels for bottles for spells and stuff like that. I and Newt and stuff like that. Excuse me. Back here, I put a little envelope with a string on it, and we got some die cuts in here. Actually, these are punches that I punched out that you can just use and make some embellishments, or you could go ahead and make the embellishments and put them in here for them to use if you wanted to do like that. So I'll do that in a minute. And then I thought about putting a pocket here, which you can. I just left it blank for right now because I was running out of stuff to put in it, to be honest. So you got that. Over here is a library pocket, and I just covered it with some paper that I had left from year before last when I went to Hobby Lobby and bought single sheets of paper to do some little treat bags for my grandson's class. So I don't really remember what brand or anything it was. It was just single sheets of paper that I had bought. so they're kind of old. I don't know if you can still get them, maybe. It's got an altered paper clip on the front for decoration. Inside, I cut out a little spool die cut, and I put some twine on it and put it in a little bag to put in the pocket. Also, in the pocket, I have a card of washi tape, which this was one that I did a swap. We swapped washi tape on one of the groups, and that come from there. Then, if you go up here to this section in the middle, this is like a little coin pocket. I got a couple of the stickers on there that changed from skeletons to, oh, that was a woman, and I think, yeah, both of them are women. They turn pretty and then turn into skeletons. They're the holographic stickers, I think. And then they're closed with Velcro. This is, and inside the little coin purse, I have 3 little corked bottles. And on the cork bottles, I had a roll of the Tim Holtz Halloween tape that had all the little, looks like labels for the bottles, and I cut them off and I put them on the bottle. This one says arsenic, and I got a sequin mix in there. It's got black and orange and green and purple. A sequin mix for a shaker or something like that. And then this one here, there's 3 bottles in here. This one says poison, and it has some Halloween glitter that I got in a jar. It's purple and green. And the last one is more Halloween glitter. It's orange and yellow. And the Tim Holtz little thing just has poison on it. I thought it looked cute because the washi tape was just the perfect size for those little bottles. And then that closes, and we open the part where your money goes, and it's an accordion where you can stick all kinds of stuff in here. I have in the front accordion, I have some felt stickers, just different Halloween felt stickers, pumpkins and ghosts, and one more pumpkin. And then I have different size tags in here, and you can always make embellishments and have them already made and put in here, or you know, you can do anything with this. You can put more pockets, you can put 2 accordions, you can put 2 little books with the tuck spots, you can put more bands. You know, everybody has a different version of what their wallet is, so you can do this any way you wanted to. I did cover the cover of the top of this with the tool from Dollar Tree with the spider web, and I made a little bow and put some bling in the center. And then the spider right here, it's really hard to see, but there is a spider there on the web. Oh, there. That come in the set with the boo and the skeletons, which I had in my stash. I don't know where that come from either. And then the next pocket, I've got some of these Happy Halloween. These are plastic pieces. They're actually for cake toppers, and they come in green, orange, black, and purple, and I sell them in my store. You get a set of 4 of them. You get one of each color. But I put a couple of these in there, and a pack of bling in some Halloween colors. And the next pocket back here has some rosettes that I made using a Tim Holtz die. This one I was just kind of messing around with. I put one of those scary holographic stickers on the front. And these 2 I just made to let them embellish the way they wanted to. And then there's a couple more cutouts in here that I printed online and fussy cut out. Indulge if you dare, tricky treats, indulge if you dare. And that's everything I have in here, but I actually was running out of stuff to stuff in there because I've got another box of Halloween stuff somewhere that I can't find. But anyway, just I wanted to get it made and I wanted to show everyone, and I'm hoping that everyone will be as excited as I am about this and we can make them and swap them. And I don't think, because of my health, I would be able to host a swap right now to do them, so I'm hoping one of these ladies that do the swaps, that host the swaps quite frequently, would be willing to do one with them. I think this is a neat idea, and I thought it was something a little bit different that we could try, and who knows, maybe I'll do a Christmas one. I don't know. I haven't decided what kind to do for the tutorial. And if y'all want a tutorial, leave me a message down at the bottom, please, so I'll know you want one, because it's kind of hard for me to sit for a long time. It'll take a little while for me to do one, but if y'all don't really want one, I don't want to sit and do one, but I will if you want one. So anyway, this is my Halloween. This was my second embellishment wallet, and I hope y'all liked it. If you did, please hit like, please share, and please subscribe. Again, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. When I reach 100, I'm gonna have a giveaway. So everybody share, like, and subscribe, and y'all have a crafty day. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.